Mark this date in your diary because I have found 100x token, and I want to share it now with you. Um, I just want to just spread the word. I love it when I discover something that has huge potential and I think I can back it up. My name is ALTBAE. I love crypto. No FOMO. Before I show you this, I must let you know I'm not a financial advisor. Please do further research before you invest your money and only invest what you can afford to lose. Now, just before I show you, I want to let you know I'm going to show you a bonus token along the same theme. Okay, so stick around. You know, it's not just okay. I've read the title, I've seen the thumbnail, I know what it is. I can click away now. Please stick around because I'm going to show you the 100x one, but I'm going to show you it toward the end of the video. So just give me that watch time. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I have launched memberships on my channel. So you can show your support by chucking me, I think, like $1.99, what's that, roughly $3 a month or something like that. Or if you want to shout out on my channel, I think it's like $5 a month or a bit more, something like that, $6, $7. Yeah, so this token, the first one I want to say, has been absolutely pumping, and I have made a bit of money from this. But not, I didn't put too much money in, unfortunately. Um, but you know, I try to be um, careful with. You know, I have my own risk tolerance, my own risk management of how much I want to put in and what's that? So the project is called GIGACHAD. So what is Giga? This is on the Solana chain, by the way. So GIGACHAD is a meme that has been around for years. That is now a worldwide phenomenon. The meme is based off of a photo shoot of Russian bodybuilder Ernest Kalimov, who was coined GIGACHAD for his perfect physique, jawline, and being a symbol of what a peak masculine male should strive for. So as you can see, I'm almost there. I hardly ever go to the gym, to be honest with you. I used to be like really frequent at judo. I'm really good for a small guy. I can throw people quite easily who are almost like a Giga Chad level. But enough about that. Giga is a community-run cryptocurrency token built on the Solana blockchain. It's a token built exclusively for high testosterone individuals with a focus on self-improvement. That's something we all should strive for. Masculinity and becoming a true Giga Chad. So this is like a nice little designed website. So how to buy it? Yeah, let's get onto this because I have some like new subscribers. I have people who are new to crypto, and I've showed them like you don't need a lot of money if you pay attention to the market. It's like I should be a lot richer if I was paying attention, but now that I am, and I'm also being selective, there are so many tokens, but this is one I really have a lot of confidence in. And the bonus one, which please stick around, I'll show you, has huge potential because like this has been pumping, but the one I want to show you next is like you're getting in at the ground floor. So what you need to do, you need to buy Solana. So you would already have to have signed up for like you have basically have to have a crypto account, Binance or Crypto.com, OKX, Mexi, KuCoin, whatever. I mean, whichever one that has Solana, where you can buy Solana. What you need to do is you need to download like a Phantom wallet. You can download it for free from your browser. I normally use my laptop. I believe you can get it on app as well. Just please make a note of your secret phrase or whatever it's called. I need to find mine because I have mine automatically saved on my laptop. So I've got like a few phantom wallets. Um, so yeah. So what you need to do is you'll need to transfer the Solana to the phantom wallet, and then you can use a service like Radium or Jupiter to swap your Solana for GigaChad. So this is the chart here. So absolutely pumping here. So this is the contract address. So you would need to put this in like Radium. So you want to swap your Solana. So you have Solana at the top. You have this contract address. I think on Giga on Radium it will say something like this is new. Anybody can create a thing. Are you sure? You just say yes, and then like it might say something like a strict list. You just say you know it doesn't need to be on a strict list. Let's go on to the market cap view actually rather than the price. So it's reached a penny or cent. Let's go to the market cap here. So $114 million. In my first take, um, it was on 112 million. And this is a red candle day. People will put in an extra 2 million, and it's been what, 20 minutes or so, maybe 15 minutes. So I was looking at this. Basically, I bought in maybe about here, about, I can't remember the market cap because I just remember looking at the coin. Sorry, this is the one here. No, this isn't the one. Ah, spoiler alert. No. Yeah, and I've already sold off. Um, but I only put in what I could afford to lose. I should have put in more. Like, especially when I've been looking at this for quite a while. I haven't seen any kind of YouTubers really talk about this, at least not lately. So if you look at RSI, you can see that people are kind of selling off, they're taking their profits and whatnot. It can go down. So already, we're already talking 113. It was 114 a moment ago. Um, but you can see people are buying. In my first take, I saw somebody put in 10 sold. I mean, I don't know whether they sold off recently, like in between takes, but this is trending. So I think this is in the top. It was in the top 10, I think, before I first started. Let's just see: Jason 8, Billy 9, Max. So it's gone down. I think 11 must be, because I saw it at 10. So GigaChad is there. So as this is like the first kind of main big push. So this has been quiet since February, like, yeah, kind of picked up again in May. It's gone down, and now it's absolutely. I think it's like went from 13 million to 113 million. So it's like roughly like a 10x. So I still think this has room to grow. Maybe wait for it to cool down. You make the choice. But what I want to say is, if you look at meme coins here, they can absolutely perform really, really well. They can fall down to zero. So again, not financial advice, only what we can afford to lose. But this could be like bonk. This could be like the first ever pump. It could go down. It could cool down. Like, could go down for ages and then absolutely skyrocket. But who knows? It could just have a little pullback. It could shoot up. This is why I say only put what you can afford to lose in here, because and I'm not a meme channel per se, but the reason why I'm focusing a lot of memes in the short term on the channel is because you can make a lot of money from a small amount, and I needed money in the short term. Let's put it that way. So I'm being more focused. I'm not buying into every single meme coin that there is. Even if I was richer than Bezos, you can't buy everything. So I've just been selective, and I think GigaChad is one that should be on your radar. Okay, so let's take off bombs, and hopefully it will perform off like that. So yeah, it could do. It's just reloading here. So for sticking around, I'm going to show you the bonus one, and it's simply a new version of GigaChad, and I think it's launched in the past 24 hours. So you get in the on the ground floor. So I haven't even bought this yet. I was just thinking, oh yeah, typing Giga onto CoinGecko just to get this video ready. And look, because they seen the potential. $2 million fully diluted valuation. There isn't even a market cap value on here at the moment. Um, so yeah. So instead of Solana, obviously this is going to have higher gas fees when you buy and sell. So it's going to be more expensive to buy and sell. But if you're getting in at really, really early, you don't have to put in a lot of money. $100 could literally change your life if this goes to, like, imagine like what's happened with people who's bought in Pepe at the beginning, people who's bought in Dog with Hat at a really, really early time. So, so maybe you want to put in 20 quid in one and 80 quid in another, or vice versa, or sorry, dollars or eight. You put one where you can afford to lose. Everybody's got different amounts of money and how much they want to risk. So this is, yeah. So whether we went onto the markets, just go onto the website now. I have muted this because I just don't want to get copyright strike, or it was just really, really loud. And my first take, this is the reason why I had a second take now, is because this was unmuted. So yeah, I don't care. I win. Yeah, that's it. Summon your Oh, it's a shame. They need to really sort that out here. So I'm going to leave that here. I will be posting more content. And I've launched a membership on my YouTube channel. So if you want to chuck me a few dollars here, um, like just general support to get like a YouTube badge, thank you for that. Or, if you want to shout out, there's a higher tier. And also, the highest tier that I'm going to do is going to have early access videos. Um, and I'll be launching a Patreon as well. But for now, Patreon's probably not that ready. Unless you just want to do like a shout out, you're welcome to buy that tier. I can do that anytime. But for now, if you want to join my membership on YouTube, that would be brilliant. Thanks for your support. I hope this makes a difference to you. If you see a project that is better, please let me know. Okay, we're here to grow together. And obviously, I understand this. It's what I can afford to lose, not financial advice, and all of that. So, thanks for sticking around. Leave a thumbs up on the video and subscribe if you haven't done so already.